Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rumble Partner Program to earn from videos, full guide step by step clearly. To activate the Rumble Partner Program, begin by visiting the Rumble website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your new or existing account. Navigate to the Partner Program section on the dashboard. Read through the program details to understand the benefits and requirements. Click on the Join Now button to start the application process. Fill out the application form with the required information. Ensure your profile is complete with a professional bio and profile picture. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from Rumble. Once approved, log back into your account. Familiarize yourself with the Rumble content guidelines. Prepare your videos for upload by ensuring they meet platform specifications. Upload your videos to Rumble through the user-friendly interface. Choose the appropriate options for monetization during the upload process. Tag your videos with relevant keywords to increase discoverability. Monitor the performance of your uploaded videos through the analytics dashboard. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. Keep producing consistent content to grow your audience and earnings. Regularly review the partnership program terms for any updates or changes. Stay informed about Rumble's promotional activities to maximize your exposure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.